You ever wonder what happens to your data when you shop online, fill out forms, or even scroll through social media? Believe it or not, companies collect that data, and if they're doing it the right way, it's called ethical data collection. But let's face it, not all companies play by the rules. So today, we're talking about what ethical data collection is, why it matters, and how you can spot the shady stuff. First things first, what is ethical data collection? It's pretty simple. It's when companies gather your info with your consent. They tell you what they're collecting, why, and how they'll use it. No sneaky tracking or selling your info without you knowing. It's all about transparency. Basically, you're in the driver's seat, and that's how it should be. Why ethical data collection is important. So, why does this matter? When companies are clear about how they're using your data, you can trust them. And that trust goes a long way. Companies that are ethical about data actually perform better because customers feel safer. On the flip side, when data is collected unethically, that's when we get into scandals like data breaches and misuse, which can lead to big fines and lost reputation. Real-world example of unethical data practices. Here's a quick real-world example. Remember Cambridge Analytica? They harvested data from millions of Facebook profiles without people's consent, and yeah, it caused a huge scandal. That's unethical data collection at its worst, data taken without permission, used in ways that people never agreed to. How companies can collect data ethically. Okay, so how should companies be doing it? Ethical data collection means being clear from the start. Tell users what you're collecting, why you need it, and how it benefits them. And most importantly, give them the power to opt in and opt out anytime they want. Oh, and don't forget about data security. Keeping people's info safe is non-negotiable. What you can do as a consumer. But it's not just on companies. As a consumer, you can take charge too. Read the privacy policies. Yeah, I know they're boring, but trust me, it's worth it. Look for the option to opt out if you're not comfortable with how your data is being used. And always check what permissions you're giving to apps before you hit that download button. So, what do you think? Are companies collecting your data ethically, or do you think they've still got a lot of work to do? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more tips on how to protect your data, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.